This 2022 Alliance RV Paradigm 385FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This used Alliance RV is 41 feet 4 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, Sleep 6, slide-out, smoke detector, Colorado detector, TV, DVD player, oven, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, microwave, water heater, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front bath, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Alliance RV Paradigm 385 Florida is 14,517 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.